Take a moment to arrive. There's nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to go. Just allow yourself to be here. You might begin to notice the surface beneath you, the way your body is being supported. There's no need to adjust anything, just a quiet acknowledgement of where you are. And then gently begin to notice your breath. No need to change it, just observing the natural rhythm. Allow the breath to soften in its own time. Perhaps you're noticing the exhale becoming a little longer, a little slower, letting the body know that it's safe to begin to settle. You might bring a light awareness to your face, softening the space that surrounds the eyes, the forehead, the jaw, allowing the tongue to rest gently in the mouth, and then the shoulders, just allowing them to drop even slightly. Nothing is forced, just small shifts that invite the body to soften. And as you rest here, breathing, noticing, arriving, you can begin to sense that this time is yours. A space to step out of the noise and return to something quieter, something steadier that is already within you. And when you're ready, we'll begin to move through the body, gently bringing awareness one area at a time. There's no rush here. We begin with the right hand thumb, the right first finger, second finger, ring finger, and little finger. The palm of the right hand and the top of the right hand, the right wrist, the right forearm, the right elbow, the right upper arm, the right shoulder, waist, and hip, the right thigh, the right knee, the right shin and calf, the right ankle, the right foot, sole, the top of the foot, the right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. And now bring awareness to your left hand thumb, your left first finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. The palm of your left hand and the top of your left hand, your left wrist, your left forearm, your left elbow, upper arm, shoulder, the left waist, the left hip, the left thigh, the left knee, shin, calf, the left ankle, the left foot, the sole, the arch, the top, the left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and little toe. And as your awareness begins to move through the body, we start to include a sense of whole, not just individual parts, but how the body is held together, the front and back, inside and out. Begin by noticing the front of the body, the space of the face, the throat, the chest, the abdomen, the pelvis, a gentle awareness of the front body. And now shifting your awareness to the back body, the back of the head, the neck, the shoulders, the length of the spine, the back of the ribs, the lower back, the back of the pelvis, and now holding both together, the front body and back body, a sense of being supported from behind and softly open at the front. And from here begin to bring your awareness to the space that's in between, the inner line of the body, from the base of the spine, gently rising upward. You may begin at the base, a quiet sense of grounding, and then moving your awareness to the lower abdomen, a sense of fluidity, gentle movement. The upper abdomen, a soft warmth, a steady presence. And now to the center of your chest, the heart space. You might imagine a soft light here. With each inhale, a gentle glow. With each exhale, a softening and expansion. There's no need to force anything here, just allowing this space to feel open and present. And now bringing awareness to the space between your eyebrows, your third eye, a quiet point of focus, your intuition that quietly guides you. You might notice a subtle light or simply a sense of awareness gathering here. And with the breath gently moving in and out, this awareness expands. And now moving on to the crown of the head, the very top, a sense of openness, space, light, courage, strength, resilience. And now without effort, Allow these spaces to be connected from the base through the center to the crown. A soft line of awareness, not rigid, just present. And if it feels natural, you might imagine each center softly illuminated. The heart, the third eye, the crown, gently brightening with the breath. And now allowing all of the centers to join together in union. Nothing to align, nothing to change. Just a sense of the whole system working together, breathing together in harmony. The body is one, the breath moving through, a quiet sense of union, of integration. And then gently letting go of any focus, just allowing everything to soften back into the body. Resting, breathing, held, safe, protected. Noticing the natural rhythm of your breath again, the gentle rise and the fall, and beginning to feel the contact points of your body, the weight of you, the way you're resting on the surface beneath you, your back body fully supported, the front body soft. You might begin to notice the space around you once more, the room you're in, the temperature of the air on your skin, the air brushing across your top lip as you breathe in and out. And then slowly and gently bringing a little movement back. Perhaps a soft wiggle of the fingers, the toes, a small roll through the shoulders, nothing rushed. Just allowing the body to reawaken in its own time. If your eyes have been closed, you might begin to blink them open, or simply soften your gaze, taking in light, shape, color, and just noticing how you feel now. There's no need to name it, just a quiet awareness. Carrying this sense of steadiness with you as you move back into the rest of your day. Or you may move gently into rest if you're heading to sleep. And take this reminder with you that you can return here to your breath, to your body, to your own space whenever you need. Namaste.